Thermostat stuck in a reset loop after a power interruption can totally mess up your home's heating and cooling vibes, so you gotta fix it fast. Alright, so first thing, check if the thermostat is getting steady power. Sometimes the wiring can be loose or the circuit breaker might have tripped, so make sure everything's snug and the breaker's on. Next, if your thermostat uses batteries, swap them out with fresh ones because weak batteries can cause constant resets. Also, some thermostats have a little reset button or a pinhole reset you can press to clear any glitches. If your thermostat is wired to a furnace or HVAC system, double-check the wiring connections to make sure none got pulled out during the power cut. Sometimes the transformer that powers the thermostat might be faulty, so if you're comfortable, test it or get a pro to look at it. Another thing, if your thermostat is older, it might just be time for an upgrade since newer models handle power interruptions better. Lastly, reset your thermostat to factory settings and then set it up again. This often clears bugs causing reset loops. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostats stuck in reset loops is ignoring the wiring check. Loose or damaged wires are a common issue, and fixing them often stops the problem right away. Another mistake is skipping the battery replacement. Even if your thermostat is hardwired, batteries are sometimes backup power, and weak ones can cause resets. Lastly, not resetting the thermostat properly can keep you stuck in that loop. Doing a full factory reset often clears firmware hiccups that happen after power outages. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing and won't flake on you. For contractors, it's a solid way to get steady work and build a reputation by helping out real folks in your area.